Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's hard reset Samsung j410 j4 core, password remove, factory data reset. First switch off the phone. Now you have to press volume up, this and power key together. It's not easy to make a video with one hand. Okay, press volume first together. When you see logo, release this button, power key, keep holding, volume up. It's very easy, guys. Now you can release all the button. Okay, just go to wipe data reset here. Now select with power key. Okay, this is j4 core Samsung. If you forget password pattern, you can remove like that. Okay, go to the yes. Now select with power key, click once. Is wiping. This wiped completely. There is option wipe data factory reset. You can bring down from volume. See here. Now we just have to reboot system. Press power key once. It's rebooting. It's a Samsung j4 core. Charge the phone 30-40%. This is coming on now. Let me leave here for until it's not coming on. It's very easy. Switch it on the light for you guys. Don't press any key. Just special. It's gonna start now. Start in Android. I didn't post the video or edit. Totally this time it took 5 minutes max. This is Samsung j410f j4 core. We removing pattern password. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe my video. My new channel needs more subscribers. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next video with the other phone. Bye.